In 1983, I bought my first camcorder. It was a big beast, and the GoPro is about the size of that battery pack in the lower right hand corner. In 2018 and 2019, I was shooting with the GoPro and a gimbal on my chest. This is the Evo SS gimbal, and the motor noise in the gimbal was wrecking the audio track on the GoPro. So I tried an external mic, nice little Rode mic, and it didn't work either. Still, the audio was ruined. In 2020, I'm shooting with the GoPro Hero 8 Black and image stabilization on and off in these tests. And I also have the Rode microphone on the right there. It's hooked up to the brick here. In the lower left corner, that is a converter for GoPro to convert from the microphone to the USB-C. Unfortunately, it's necessary. So let's start looking at these videos with the 4 different settings here. And this obviously is pre-HyperSmooth, what it was really like. And then we get up, we've got boost on. And boost works nice, but I don't really like the effect up close anyway of the 30 frames per second. And then we get to 60 frames per second with HyperSmooth on. And sorry about the my microphone windscreen was in the way there. But it looks pretty good. And now we get linear with HyperSmooth on. Now with linear, on the sides isn't as distorted. And you notice that at the power pole as we come towards the end. With wide, it's curved a little bit. And with linear, it's straight. So I like this setting the best. Now let's test the microphone setup. Now let's let you listen to it and let it roll. Okay, we're on Mine Hill Trail, Santa Teresa County Park, South San Jose. And I'm testing the microphone, and currently I have the external mic in, and the windscreen is on. So this is what it's like: external mic, windscreen at 18 miles an hour, 19 miles an hour, a little bit hot. It's supposed to be slower than that here. Sorry about that, Rangers. Okay, now we're using the external mic with the windscreen off, and I'm using my Epic setting, which is 4K 60 linear HyperSmooth on. Well, it probably wouldn't matter much here. It's pretty mellow except for like these rocks right here in front of us. Okay, now we're testing with the external mic unplugged. We're at 4K 60 linear HyperSmooth on. At this point, boost isn't available with linear. And now we're up like 16 miles an hour, 17 miles an hour.